Bulacan with Sumido still down on the floor. Last 2 minutes of the game. John Nermal to John Fa. And Pampanga with this impending win. Like we said.
That's the second dunk there by Lalata.
Oo nga. Chris Lalata. Basic na sa kanya yung ganyang klase yung mga takdak. Lalo pag binigyan mo siya ng space to take off. But again, with Pampanga's win here, it guarantees them a seat in the playoffs. And what an impressive run for Pampanga. This is gonna be their 5th straight, if I'm not mistaken, playoff appearance. Yeah. Made the playoffs in Season 3 and 4 and then won back-to-back titles in Season 5 and 6. But a different narrative rather this season, given that wala na nga si Balti, wala si Encho, nasa Abra na. Perhaps that could be a matchup down the road, Abra, Pampanga, you'll never know. Also MJ Garcia not in the picture anymore, but how do you see their chances moving forward para dito sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns?
Well, yeah, I mean, I've always given the benefit of the doubt to the defending champions. Regardless, para sa akin, iba pa rin talaga na pagdating sa playoffs, meron kang ganyang experience. So yeah, I'm liking Pampanga's odds. Definitely.
Oh, John Nermal!
Another dunk there to finish off the game.
Joining the slam dunk party here.
Yeah, dunking his 24th point of the game. Si John Nermal.
And time winding down. Final score na lang yung ating inihintay dito. But, man, Pampanga finishing off their regular season in style as they're able to beat the Bulacan Cuyas convincingly here despite the absence of Archie Concepcion. It's all business taken care of para dito sa two-time defending champions. And well, we see already the potential, especially with John Nermal with a fine output here para